Tutorial 9, Using Domains and INURL to Focus Searches. Now, let's unlock two simple but powerful techniques that make it easy to target credible information sources using domain filters and the INURL command. Part 1, using the cite colon command. You can limit your Google search to specific types of websites and organizations by adding cite colon at the end of your search. For example, cite colon gov to focus on government websites, cite colon edu to pull from university research, and cite colon org to find nonprofit reports. Adding a domain filter instantly improves the quality of your search results and minimizes a lot of noise that can come from Google. Part 2, targeting specific organizations using INURL colon. The INURL colon command helps you find content specifically tied to a certain organization, even if you don't know their full website address. For example, INURL colon census finds pages from the U.S. Census Bureau. INURL colon McKinsey targets McKinsey reports and insights. It's like telling Google, only show me pages related to this trusted source. Part 3, when and why to use these filters. Use cite colon and INURL colon when you want to prioritize credible sources, avoid getting overwhelmed by random blog posts, and make your searches faster and more trustworthy. It's especially important when you're doing research for business reports, market analysis, or academic projects. Up next, we'll see even more ways to fine-tune your results, like filtering by publication date or finding data from specific years.